Imagine the ground beneath your feet, solid and unyielding, whispering secrets it has held for billions of years. What if, hidden in the crushing darkness miles below, a vast ocean stirred silent, ancient, and utterly unknown, threatening to reshape our world from the inside out? Picture Earth as a colossal onion, layers upon layers peeled back by time and pressure. We stand on the thin crust, a fragile skin barely scratching the surface. Beneath it lies the mantle, a molten sea of rock flowing like slow honey, hotter than the sun's surface in places. But what if, woven into this fiery realm, water hides not as droplets or streams, but locked within the very crystals of minerals, waiting for a spark to awaken? Scientists have glimpsed this possibility through diamonds risen from the depths, carrying traces of ringwoodite, a blue mineral that cradles water molecules in its atomic embrace, like jewels harding rain from a forgotten storm. Now, let your mind descend deeper. In our reality, this subterranean water equals several times the volume of all our surface oceans combined, diffused and bound. But in this, what if? Imagine it coalescing, gathering into a hidden sea, a second ocean, vast and pressurized, encircling the planet's core like a liquid shroud. How would such a world form? Perhaps during Earth's fiery birth, when comets bombarded the young planet. Not all water rose to the seas above, some seeped downward, trapped by gravity's unrelenting pull, dissolving into rock until saturation birthed a new realm. Feel the suspense build as we probe this enigma. Would this underground ocean remain dormant, a sleeping giant? Or could seismic whispers, earthquakes rippling like distant thunder, stir it to life? Visualize the mantle's slow convection, currents of heat rising and falling, carrying water-laden rocks upward. In our hypothetical Earth, a critical threshold is crossed, pressure eases just enough, and water begins to melt free, pooling in immense cavities where no light has ever pierced. The ground above might tremble subtly at first, a faint vibration underfoot, like the planet holding its breath. But wonder turns to curiosity laced with fear. What life could thrive in this abyssal domain? No sunlit waves here, only chemical soups bubbling from volcanic vents, nourishing extremophiles microbes that feast on rock and heat, evolving in isolation for eons. Imagine alien ecosystems, bioluminescent tendrils glowing in the dark, blind creatures navigating by echoes in the water's crush. Could this hidden ocean harbor the origins of life itself, a cradle predating our surface world? Or might it connect to our own through unseen fissures, seeding the deep sea with ancient mysteries? As the pressure mounts in our story, so does the drama. Human explorers, driven by insatiable curiosity, drill deeper than ever before. Probes pierce the crust, descending into the unknown, their signals fading into static. What do they find? Steam vents erupting like geysers from hell, or perhaps a glimpse of liquid horizons stretching infinitely in the gloom. But beware, the awakening of this ocean could unleash chaos. Rising waters might lubricate fault lines, triggering mega-quakes that swallow cities whole, or force magma upward in cataclysmic eruptions, painting the skies with ash and fire. Subscribe to Future Lens and step into more worlds beyond time, science, and imagination. Now, let all wash over you as we envision the broader canvas. This second ocean could alter Earth's very heartbeat, the magnetic field shielding us from solar winds. Generated by the churning core, water infiltrating the boundary might cool the molten iron, weakening the dynamo, exposing our atmosphere to cosmic rays that strip it away like leaves in a gale. Continents could drift faster, oceans above swelling with displaced water, redrawing maps in floods of biblical scale. Yet, in this peril lies profound beauty, a planet alive, breathing, evolving in ways we never dreamed. Delve further into the emotional tide. Fear grips as we contemplate vulnerability, our world, not a steadfast rock, but a dynamic sphere, fragile and fluid, Curiosity
Copy that.
ignites,
Increasing
could we
power to
harness
the
this hidden
stabilizers.
reservoir, tapping it for endless fresh water in a thirsty future? Pipelines snaking into the depths, quenching deserts, fueling civilizations. Or might it rebel, bursting forth in hydrothermal springs that birth new islands, reshaping geography overnight? Suspense peaks in the climax of our tale. Suppose a global event, a massive asteroid impact, or a supervolcano's roar fractures the barriers. The hidden ocean surges upward, mixing with the mantle's fury. Rivers of steam explode from cracks. Skies darken with vapor that rains for years, transforming arid lands into lush paradises while drowning coastlines. Life adapts or perishes, species migrate, evolve, or vanish, while humanity clings to ingenuity, building floating cities or burrowing deeper still. In the quiet aftermath, curiosity yields to wonder. This, what if, reveals Earth's duality, a nurturing mother and a tempestuous force, hiding depths that mirror our own souls. We gaze at the ground anew, feeling the pulse of secrets below, a reminder that discovery lurks not in distant stars, but right beneath our feet. And as the echoes fade, ponder this in the vast silence of the universe. What other hidden oceans lie waiting, not just on worlds afar, but within the unexplored chambers of our own reality, challenging us to dive deeper, dream bolder, and embrace the unknown with trembling hearts?